First of all, it's the starting of making any bird, its diagram, because if anyone is an starter, a beginner, or is just trying to make pictures of birds and animals, it's very difficult for them to start that from where they should start or where they should go. You can see here I am practicing these images. This is parrot beak, and in this way it's the pigeon beak. You can see it's not so professional because it's just a beginner. Once you start drawing, you will have to observe the smaller portions of a bigger figure, of a larger figure. See, this look like a kingfisher beak. It's incomplete and it's like spear, but that's okay. It's part 1. We are going part 1. We will be practicing as many as possible, and we will draw until and unless we are gonna make it perfect. It's owl beak, as you can see. It's not like owl, but yeah, it's first. When you are just beginner, you can't expect a perfect art. It's a crow beak. It look like a little bit of like crow beak. And thereafter, it's the peacock beak. It doesn't look like that, but yeah. In the starting, when you are just starting making drawings and making sketches, and when you are engaged in doing lots of animation work, see, you have to start from any point, and you can start from any point. So this is the peacock beak, and after that, see this sparrow beak. I made a couple of birds portions because it was difficult for me, not for me but any beginner who is just starting from making drawings and who just wanted to learn drawing. See, he or she will have to start from a portion. So I started from the birds portion. Here you can see the sparrow beak. Thereafter the woodpecker beak, and here we go the kite beak. It's the name of the bird. And it's like crane. No, it's a hummingbird. It's the first time and it's a single page I am drawing. I am just practicing. It's my first time, and see the result. It's robin beak, and thereafter it's duck beak. This look nicer. It's a bit quite beautiful, and here you can see. After that, this dove beak. It is dove beak, and thereafter that's crane. Yes, it's crane beak. That's part 1. See, when we start making these pictures, we have to keep a mindset of learning and growing. Like it's my first attempt, and any beginner who is a beginner and just started drawing, and from where should he start? You can start from at any portion. You will have to see these small things. You will have to capture the small things, and over that you can make your art. Okay, it will be helpful if you start drawing some basic like cubes, shapes, lines, curves. That's the obvious thing. And finally this swan beak. No, not there. It's like eagle beak. It's first time rough practice of making this. And after that, here you can see penguin beak. Okay, in this bird series, you can check on my playlist. In this bird series, you can see all these making practices, how I practice, how I do practice, and how I improve my artwork. You can feel that full journey of it. Here we go. It's turkey beak. After that, it's bull beak, and like that way. Okay. So basically, first of all, what is this? first of all, you may have a question that what these stuffs are and why should they see. I started my channel name Sketch Hasan. It is basically an art vlog type channel in which I will be learning and I will be teaching how to draw and where you can face some problems, and we will be practicing along with all of our subscribers, all of our audience who are watching this video. So its concept is simply practicing the sketch. Okay, I mean in this case say sketch or say drawing from a very beginner level. I mean to say beginner. Like you can see, you must have seen my artwork, and basically you have known that how much professional I am. But don't worry, we're gonna make it, and we will make it perfect until. And finally, what's my plan? My simple plan is that first of all we're gonna practice in this paperwork. After paperwork, we will shift to digital mode, like so pen, tablet and all. After that we will be doing some 3D based modeling, 3D modeling, and after that we will be trying some cool animations. And that's the thing that I love about. We will be moving from this steps by steps. We will be starting this series for everyone, each and everyone, for realizing that, see, it's just a matter of practice and it's just a matter of time. How much effort you are putting. We will be practicing the artwork, basically the animal, trees and all those stuff that we are gonna make. And for that, we will be managing all this artwork, like making all these stuffs. Okay, we're gonna make some birds, bird parts. We're gonna make some bird parts, so we're gonna make some animal parts, and one by one we're gonna make all these. We're gonna unify these all this. Okay, we're gonna unifying this all in one, and in this way I, along with all you guys, we are gonna make the artwork, and in future and further we will be discussing that what are the challenges and how we can move over it. So it's just a basic and beginning. We will be practicing on a daily basis, and along with practicing we are gonna also make discussions about the artwork, about the history, about all these stuffs, like it's a history and like a story and about color, about all these stuffs we're gonna practicing. So it's all about it. Thank you guys for watching.